Oh, okay. Rodrigo is already here. Hello, Rodrigo.
Hi guys, how are you doing?
Fine. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Let me prepare the things here. So you are already live in the YouTube, right?
Yeah, I think
Yes.
we are already in YouTube.
Okay.
Actually, I think I need to change it to like to schedule for some exact time to avoid starting it early. But okay, so we start just 6 or 7 minutes ahead of the time, so not so many issues.
Okay.
Okay. Well, great. Nice adapter, Rodrigo. Mine is very simple. See, just simple dongle.
Yeah.
I need to buy one like your or like the George because they are more robust. Yeah.
Yeah, I have one of these, but they broke it.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened with them.
Yeah. It's very cheap in all senses. Yeah.
Yeah, it's happened.
But
Okay. Uh, the image is never so good when I show the board, but
yeah.
I
Okay.
think I need.
Maybe it's because the light. I don't know, but I think it's okay. We can see your board.
Okay.
We can see uh, the RS 485 and the USB connection, the
Okay.
USB serial adapter. I think it's okay.
So thanks, George, for the test application. Uh, it
Yeah,
strange.
I
It
think
works at the first time, so I didn't just
yeah,
flash it,
I think George
connecting
did
your.
a nice work.
Hmm.
Thanks for the help. When I tested it and it worked at first time, I looked at it and I, I it's a little strange because how it could be work at first time, no debugging, just connect and start to work. So
Yeah.
very nice.
Did you use the same application also? I think he's not using, right, George? This application you show in the Windows machine today.
Uh, uh, we use a MODBUS pool.
Yeah, the Modbus pool.
Yeah, this
Is the same, sorry to ask, is the same MB pool that we are using on Linux? Is just a Windows version or is a different manufacturer?
no, it's a different manufacturer. It's a paid software.
Okay.
But if you enter in the site, you can download the installer of them and can use for sometimes free.
Okay.
And it's I don't know. I just know about this too, but it's very used here in developing things in Brazil,
Mm-hmm.
and we usually use for validate all the protocol. For example, I start some application and I need to use Modbus in them, and I need to, for example, if I develop of zero, is I need to see the traffic of the packets and I can know, for example, how this packet I need to understand. For example, I want to know I can read input register, for example, for some register, and in this software I can see all the traffic of the packets and the bytes, the traffic.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, I think should be nice if we have some open source application that we can use in both Windows, Linux, maybe even macOS, because it will make our life easier. but at least, oh, I think George dropped out.
Drop it. Yeah.
Yeah, but at least there is a MB pool for Linux, and it works very nice as well. So
Yeah,
uh,
I used the, I think it's
Oh,
called
sorry,
M,
no problem.
no
I'm
problem.
back.
So I used only the MO serial. So it seems like just you can just connect to a port and send and receive bytes. So it's a simple application. I used that to test the
Yeah.
George's
Yeah,
binary.
today we will use the MB pool um, on Linux, and maybe George can show the more advanced application running on his Windows emulated Windows virtual machine. And yeah, it's nice. George, did you try to run it in the Wine? Maybe it can work using Wine, so we don't need to run
Mm,
the virtual machine.
I don't like wine.
Oh, why?
Nah, I don't have a good experience with this.
Yeah, I used it in the past, and sometimes it doesn't work because the software is not supported yet, or use some many
Mm-hmm.
advanced feature. But in many users' case, it works fine. For example, I remember to use the XB configuration, the application for the XB
Mm-hmm.
boards, and it worked very nice, and many others simple application. But yeah, when this is a very advanced application, normally it doesn't work so well.
Mm-hmm. No, I think it's better to use a virtual machine because wine, I have a lot of problems and sometimes they broke it some packets of Linux
Yeah.
too.
Okay.
Especially because I use a serial port for
Right.
the virtual machine and probably they can broke something and I don't
Yeah.
have a lot of patience to fix this.
Okay. So guys, today we will use the Modbus. We port the Modbus to the STM32F401 RC RS485 board. This board that Rodrigo put in the camera. Yeah, this board was created by our colleague um, Lucas Zampar, and it's a very nice board. And yeah, Rodrigo just put the schematic of it. So uh, we have one RS485 transceiver, so we can use Modbus on this board. And today we'll do exactly that. We'll port the uh, the board to support it. Uh, as you can see, there's some jumpers, uh, JP11, JP12, JP15, and also JP13. So we need to solder these jumpers. Actually, the jumper 13 is not so needed because it's the uh, resistor impedance um, for the cable. If you are using a short cable, for example, less than 2 or 3 meters, we don't you don't need to do this impedance matching. But if you need, if you are using a very long cable, probably you need to solder this jumper.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
so
it's these three jumpers here, right? So this one here and this two here that
yeah,
I have soldered already. Just to show the guys the jumpers. Okay.
Okay, I think we can start, right?
Yeah. So, just to open the schematic, because just to show that the transceiver is connected to USART2, right here, and because I think you need this information, right? And it's connected to PA1, RTS, PA2, the TX, and PA3, the RX. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I can
And
take notes of this.
yeah, actually, we need to write down these pins, the PA1 and PA2, right? The port
Okay.
A1 and sorry, port way 2 and port way 3, right? PA2, PA3.
Okay.
And also the data enable pin. I think it's the
Mhm.
RSTS that we use it for it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay. So I took note of this. So let me share
yeah,
I think it's enough from from the schematic, and then I will share
yeah, the
my.
yeah, your screen.
Uh, just to let you know, I just cleaned up my kit and synced it with the upstream, so is everything up to date?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, it's better now.
So,
Yeah, we can
yeah,
see. Yeah.
let me close this one here
Mm-hmm.
to start from the beginning. Let me close this part, boards.
Yeah. Maybe Rodrigo, before we use the uh, this IDE, the code, the VS Code,
Mm-hmm.
just confirm you update your repository, and also you create a new re- um, a new branch to test it.
Okay. Yeah. So I did this few minutes ago. So
Okay.
uh,
Let's confirm. Just
I created this new branch here.
mm-hmm,
It's based on the master.
right.
Let me
Also, just confirm have you have updated the apps as well, because as you remember,
okay.
I and George, we fixed some issues uh, in the application.
Okay. Let me do the latest here. Yeah, a lot of okay. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I have the latest from
Rodrigo.
application. Yes.
And before that, resize your screen again, please, because in
No,
YouTube we can see what.
The bottom. We cannot.
Yeah,
You cannot see the bottom of the screen.
what
Okay.
I did last time, we just increased it a little, right?
No, no. I think you move up. Just yeah, just move up a little bit to avoid the bottom to be too in the bottom of the screen.
So how about now?
wait a minute, to have delay in YouTube.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, but it's already YouTube, right?
Mm, yes, but we can't see what you're typing yet.
Okay. You just need to wait a little bit to it show up, right?
Yes, yes. Wait.
Just type something, yeah, and don't press enter yet.
Okay, 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 okay. Now it's okay.
Is
Perfect.
okay? Okay. So
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, you can use the same side of the dash to using the base code.
Visual Code, yeah,
Mhm.
Okay. Perfect. I'll do that. So let
yeah,
um,
yeah. You can go back to NuttX also.
Just adjusting the VS Code. You guys are not seeing, but I'm adjusting the screen size here. And now, okay. Not this one here. Okay, let's go back to NuttX. And yeah, so I'm the latest in both repositories, apps and NuttX.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else here? And there's already a
No, you can type.
branch.
Yeah, just
No,
yeah,
let me
just
check
go
out my.
just go back to your branch,
Mhm.
and I think it's porting. Oh no, no, sorry, you are right. Yeah, this one.
Yeah, that one is the first one because the RS485 is in the name of the board.
Yeah, it's a little bit
So,
confusing. Yeah, okay,
but this one is the one that I created today to work on that.
okay.
Can you go to
Yeah, you can go back to the before, just go back, just make to run, just remember to make this clean to clear
okay?
if you didn't clear it yet.
Uh, yeah. Let's get in here.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, it's on.
So let me show you. Okay. You guys can see it?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. So where do I start?
Yeah. So the first thing we need to do is create our pin definitions inside our board. So, like we did in the uh, Linux board, you just go to board ARM STM32F4 discovery board, and let's use the pins configuration that already defined to RS485 to discovery board. Yes, includes sorry, board.h. Yeah. I think there is a, yeah, over it there's what one. Yeah, you use that one. Sorry. Yeah, copy this one unto the endif.
Oh, just a second.
Mm-hmm. Okay, cool, very good.
Let's go to our board.
Yeah,
Okay.
this one includes on the page, and try to find the what.
I think there's this resort to already defined here.
Okay, in our case we are using what to as well, right?
Yeah.
So just put it over this what to, and we will remove this what to.
Okay. So let's paste here.
Yeah.
And we have information here that you
No,
can
it's
use?
not any. It's not necessary.
Okay. So let me put it.
Yeah.
No STM.
Move up. Remove one space before this comment, because yeah, you put two lines. Yeah.
Yeah. As usual. So two, I need
Use
to
R2.
define
Yeah, this one.
Two. And here we are using PA2.
Actually, if you want, you can do like George did. Just remove this comment about the just use let use for 85 and remove the remaining. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, keep this way. And now we
Put
need,
here, right?
yeah, put the pin
Oops.
PA2. I think it was
PA2.
PA2 and
And here,
PA3.
okay.
Yeah, cool. And
Mm.
now just modify use art1 to use art2, TX and RX.
Two.
Yeah.
And if I remember, this one here was.
Yeah, we need to look. We cannot assume
Okay.
anything. Just move, just change for use art1 to use art2,
Okay.
and we will
And then need
search.
to check here.
Yeah, we'll
Okay.
check now.
And
So
also here, the gear.
yeah,
Two.
two.
Okay.
Okay. Remember the pin is the in the schematic. You remember what was the pin?
The pin for this one was PA1.
Okay, just change the from 15 to 1. Yeah. And align this GPIO output clear with the GPIO output from previous line.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. That's correct now.
Let's.
Now, yeah, update it as well. And now we just need to go inside Arc, ARM, source.
So source STM32.
Yes, STM32.
Hardware or
hardware, and pin map. It should be F4X. Yeah, you need to find F40XXX pin map. Please, you can close this file.
Okay.
This file is just like a trampoline to the other file. It's just to select what is the right file.
Okay, got it. So
Yeah, the F40 pin.
just let
pin
me
map.
check where I'm searching here. So F4 pin map.
Yeah,
This one.
yeah, this one. And
Okay.
search for useart2.
Okay.
And now we need to find the PA2 underscore TX, for example.
Okay. So
Yeah, we have two pins definition. Probably should be the first one, right? The
yeah.
PA,
So this
yeah,
TX1 and
and
the RX is just above here,
yeah,
and
and
this
confirm this one PA3. Yeah.
So I need to use this symbol here, right?
Yeah, we need to use RX1 and TX1. Okay.
Okay. That's one. Okay.
Yeah. I think that's it, right, George? Do you remember?
How about the GPIO speed? It's just for
We use the
7.
one
I think in our board we use 100, but
100.
this is F4. So because we copy this pin definition from STM32F4 Discovery board, I think the GPU speed is correct.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. George, are you following the steps, George?
Yes,
Okay.
we use a 100 and all of them.
Yeah, in 87 we use 100, but he let keep 500 is okay.
Okay.
Sorry,
Got it.
50 megahertz. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Now
Okay,
we
so
can
it's
close.
saved.
Yeah, that's basically all we need to do. We just need to define these pins, and
Okay.
now we can just run the make menu config and the configure NSH, and then run make menu config and get everything working. To get everything
Okay.
working.
So let's go to the um,
Yeah, tools configure.
okay, but
Yeah, this one.
it's the
Just change
mesh.
EEPROM to NSH.
Okay.
Is okay, George? Did you modify everything and is already building your board?
Oh no, I'm not with the board.
You didn't modify?
No, I didn't do
Yeah,
exactly that.
actually, I was expecting you to follow because we want to see
Mm-hmm.
you also running the application and
Okay. Mm-hmm. Now I
yeah,
seeing
maybe
here
Rodrigo,
everything is
can you open the VS Code again and show the modifications we did? Then
Sure.
George can copy.
I can send the chat here as well if maybe it's better.
Yeah, could be a good idea.
Let me just close the arc here. Too many files. Open. So let's go to board and find our board here. And board.
The last one.
Uh, let me close this Discover as well. And here.
Yeah.
So you have what it did.
Mm-hmm. Okay. George,
Okay.
just remember to remove the old user user tool
Mm-hmm.
that exists in this board.h file.
Okay.
If you prefer, you can pass the Git package. Not sure if it's better.
Okay, I think he has the VS Code open, so
Okay.
copying it's fine. It will be faster than.
I will need to prepare the setup here. One thing that you can do better is send me the Excel file to test here because
Okay.
I'm seeing the
You need to
YouTube channel
prepare the
here.
board in this time.
Yes, I
Okay.
And
need
also,
to.
Yeah.
and also maybe you are configured to remove, right? So you need
Yes, I
to.
need to configure the setup here. I
Yeah.
don't
You need to
have all
prepare
this ready.
the board.
In the
Okay,
end, just send me the Excel file
it's
and I
okay.
write you.
Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
let's go back
Uh,
to compilation, Rodrigo. Go,
okay.
go back.
The guys, so the GitST is able to share binary files if they. I can send you the chat here, or not sure if it's work. I can send
Just
you
let
a
follow.
WhatsApp.
We
It's okay.
will compile the source code when you create the NuttX.bin. We just
Mm-hmm.
send the NuttX.bin to him. For example, you can
Okay.
send it over WhatsApp or other channel you prefer.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
So I think you configure, right? So it's okay, right?
Yeah.
So
So the previous
it's shipping.
yeah you run configure NSH. Now we can configure our board to enable the RS485.
Okay. Okay, so
System
I
type,
see.
we need to enable the user2. So go to system type, STM32 peripheral support.
Okay. Mm, mm, oh, it's already made.
Oh, that's a good signal. Maybe we are using the same pin that are used to console.
Let me check.
Put the schematic again in the screen.
Yeah,
Let's see.
try to do this very fast so we don't lose time. Okay, so mm,
Yeah, let's see here in my board. Oh yeah,
uh,
we are using the PA2 and PA3 in our board.
mhm.
So maybe we need to find um, other serial. If I'm not wrong, we can use PA10 and PA9. Do you have the datasheet for this STM32F401 401RC microcontroller?
Let me check. I do think I have.
Only the
Uh,
datasheet is not the reference manual, only
okay.
the datasheet, the smaller. I think the
Mm,
PA10 and PA9 are the user to one, so we can move our console to PA10 and yeah, PA, PA9 and PA10.
oops. Up. Yeah, so os art
Yeah,
one,
perfect. Yeah,
os arts.
we can use this pin. So you move your serial from this CN4 connector to the CN2, the connector near the USB connector
Okay,
in your
so
board.
here the configuration on the board file or that's it.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
we can check it's okay, right?
we can do the hardware modification later, but now we can
Okay,
configure to use UART one and UART two. Okay,
okay.
you can.
So what do you do now?
Just
First, you need to.
I was going to say just close the datasheet here and go back to
Okay,
terminal to the menu config. Yeah,
okay. So where is it? Okay, yeah. So you need to select
yeah,
start one as well, right? As we're going to use this
yeah.
for the
Now you go
shell.
back one
Okay,
position and go move down and select the UART configuration. Yeah, UART
okay,
configuration. We will use the RS485 on UART2, so you need to select it.
okay,
Yeah. And about this polarity pin, we don't need to change because our RS485 transceiver already use the level high to transmit and the level low level to receive. So we don't need to change the polarity.
okay.
We can leave
Go
this
back.
configuration, go back
Okay,
again, go back again,
okay,
go to device drivers. Yeah. Move down until serial configuration. Just a little bit low. Yeah. Move. Yeah.
serial driver
Serial.
support.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now go to use R2 configuration.
Do we need to change
Ah,
this for
yeah,
R1?
I was going to say we need to change it to use R1
Okay. And
and
here.
change. Here we need to change the default baud rate. The baud rate to Modbus normally is 3840, 400, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. And also the parity uh, even is even parity, so you need to change it from 0 to 2.
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah, that's it. The stop bit is still 1, so we don't need to change.
Sorry, I go back here.
Yeah,
Okay.
we can go back again, and
Okay.
one more time. Yeah, go back to, yeah. Now move down to the application configuration. Yeah, enter inside free Modbus. Mhm. Okay, we need to enable the Modbus slave because our board will behave like a Modbus slave in this case.
Okay. Oh, a lot of configuration for this.
Yeah. So first, we don't need Modbus ASCII support, so we can disable it. Yeah. Also, we don't want to use the Modbus TCP because our board doesn't have Ethernet, so we can disable it.
Okay.
Yeah, and the other configuration we can keep,
Mhm.
and yeah, you can now go back and go to example, move up to examples, and move down until you find the Modbus, the free Modbus configuration. Move down.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
Here.
yeah. And now we need to change the port number because port 0 is the serial console, so we change it from 0 to 1.
So this port is linked to the result. So
Yeah, because normally the user port you use to serial console, no matter what is your port, it will become /dev/tty s0. So this 0 means tty s0, and if you use tty s0, it try to use the same serial
I
port
see.
we are using to serial console. So the next port after the serial console is the tty s1, and so
Okay.
in our case we will use this port.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So anything else here?
No, the remaining is correct.
Okay.
So now we can exit.
And save.
Yeah, and let's compile and see if everything is correct. Oh no, sorry, I'm missing
Okay.
something, because
Okay.
now we are using the, no, it's not in menu config, in the VS Code, because now we are using UART1 to serial console, so we need to define the pins to use the PA9 and PA10. Remember
I
we
think, yeah, I think it's defined here,
Okay, you are right, it's already defined correctly.
but not sure if we need to double check because this is
Yeah,
from the. for discovery.
Yeah,
But
actually, we can. I think we can remove this PB7, PB6, right? We don't need to.
okay,
uh,
so
We don't need this if one else there. We can
yeah,
remove.
so
Yeah.
let's move here and everything here.
Yes. Also remove the space
Uh,
in this define.
okay,
Just yeah, correct.
and
Yeah, and
let's
also
move.
yes, just remove these lines and the other as well. I think also this comment about the maybe you can, I don't know, let's see, if you
You
want
mean
for
the connector here, right?
connector 2 CN2 maybe pin 1 2, let's see, 1 2 3 4 6 and 7, 6 and 7, pin 6
And 6.
and low 7, connector 2 pin 7. Yeah, and you can
And
remove, yeah,
this one.
remove the remaining.
Okay,
Yeah, that's it. Perfect.
okay. So now I will disconnect the board. Just a second, just to don't mess it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So that's
I will put the camera here maybe. Yeah,
okay. Are you guys see?
yeah, we can see.
Yeah. So I will remove the zero from here.
Yeah,
So this connector.
yeah. PA9 is the transmitter, so we will need you connect the TX in your RX.
Yeah, but there is no ground here in the other side of the board.
Really?
The connector.
Oh yeah, maybe we need to cut a little bit this cable to let it wire in the other side. Can you?
Uh,
It's possible. Let's see. I
yeah.
cannot.
And how about this
Yeah,
ground
there's
for
a that
CN6?
yeah, there's in the disconnector near the clock, the
Okay, I use
SDIO
this
clock.
one.
You can use it.
And now let me see. I think the green is the TX, so I need to connect to RX, and
Yeah.
the RX is
RX, you connect in
PA10.
PA9.
Okay, so let me.
Maybe yeah, maybe
Need to
the brown connector, the brown cable, you need to put in the PA9, right? Because
no,
if it,
because the green
the green
the
is
green pin
TX or
is TX and the white is RX. So I put in the green in the PA9, right?
yeah, but remember PA9 is transmitter from the both sides,
Oh, okay.
so it
Yeah,
needs to be
sorry.
connected in the
Yeah, yeah, right.
RX. It's inverted.
Yeah. So let me put this here. Okay, and let me do where is the
PA9
PA10?
and PA10 is the RX, so you need to connect the
Okay,
TX to PA10.
I found it here.
Yeah,
Okay, let me try to connect here. Okay,
yeah.
so
Mm.
PA10 looks good in the camera. Are you able to
Yeah,
see?
it's okay. Now, if you want, you can press the um, the uh, boot reset. If you keep the boot, okay, yeah, and put it in.
Okay.
It didn't enter in programming mode. Okay, now it
Okay.
entered. Yeah. Uh, let's go back to the terminal.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yes.
Now we can compile, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So let's use the tool flash and also send to
Mm-hmm.
this a second. From here to send to
Okay. Now you can try to use uh, the serial console.
yeah. Just a second that I'm going to send the binary to
To George. Yeah.
sorry guys, just a second. So let's go to the shell. Sorry for the delay.
No problem.
And let's reset the board. So, okay,
Yeah.
that's a good. So the USART one is working, right? So it's a good sign.
Okay. You can type your name dash A to confirm. Yeah, this is the version compiled now.
Okay,
Verify if you have the TTY S0 and TTY. Yeah, okay,
okay.
we have both. Now we can run the MODBUS. George, can you maybe Rodrigo, you need to install the MB
MB2.
pool. Did you install the MB pool?
I never use it. It's just to
Okay, so
uh,
open, yeah, go to this terminal and
okay.
run sudo apt install or apt space install, yeah. MB pool,
Okay.
yeah, pool.
MP. Okay,
No,
MP.
yeah, MB pool,
Ah,
MB,
okay. So there's a B.
yeah,
There's a P.
MB pool, exactly. I think pool is 2L, not 2O. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, exactly.
that's
Rodrigo, I send you the command that you will use in the chat.
Yeah.
okay. So first I start the command in the
Yeah, there is a detail, Rodrigo. You need to confirm you have the TTY USB 0 and USB 1 in your computer.
okay. So
ls/dev TTY. Yeah.
so yeah,
In your case, you have 0 and 2.
yeah.
Yeah. Uh, in the Minicom, you have used USB 0, right?
Mm,
Yeah, I think this one is USB 0. Yeah.
but maybe I can connect and disconnect and check in the mess.
Yeah, if you disconnect the Modbus adapter, you connect it again, I think it will be detected as USB 1.
Okay, so let's do that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Now you can go back to the terminal and later copy yeah, exactly. Go back to the NuttX terminal.
The shell we mean
Yeah.
here.
If you run
Okay.
this command, modbus -h, to help. You can see the options.
Okay.
We need to enable the protocol stack. So you need to run MODBUS -e.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now it is running, and go back to the other terminal and run the command that George sent you. This is the command to
Okay.
read the data. So it will try to read the register 1000. Yeah, it's working, it's reading. Yeah, very nice. So our board has the Modbus working.
Whoa,
Very nice.
that's a
Good work.
nice.
Yeah. Maybe if George has the application working his side as well, he can show more
Uh,
details.
uh, just a question. You using the USB to using the shell of the
No,
NuttX?
no. We are using the PA10 and PA9 in the CN2 connector.
Okay, wait a minute.
The shell is is connected now in different pins because the USART2 is connected to.
Okay.
Yeah,
I give you a minute. I will
sure,
take
sure, no problem.
I flash the MCU here, but I not have this cable connected.
Yeah,
Give me a
just
minute. I will
yeah,
take care.
just to recap, you need to connect the PA9. PA9 is the transmitter, so you need to connect
Mhm.
the receiver from your USB serial to the PA9, and you need to connect the transmitter from your USB serial to the PA10. And for GND, you can use the GND of the SWD connector, the
Mhm.
CN6 connector. Yep.
Uh, Alan, do you think you need to save this configuration or?
Yeah, I think it's a good idea to save it and create a Modbus slave as we did for the Linux board. You can just press the Ctrl C to stop here. Yeah, and you can go back and leave the go back to the NuttX and go back to the terminal. Okay. So
So
yeah.
make save that
Config.
config, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go to boards.
No, you can just create the direct from this position. Just type
Okay.
mkd
Okay.
boards
On
arm
let's try.
into f4, yeah, configs modbus underline slave underline slave. Yeah.
Okay.
Now
And now
move.
move.
I
Okay.
You can move because we don't need to use it. You need to have it in the
That config to
Alt. Press Alt and hold Alt and press the dot pin. Yeah, and press Enter.
oh, you know some very good shortcuts.
Yeah, it's very useful.
Okay. So okay. So let's test this. Let's make this
Yeah.
while
Yeah, while George finish the setup, we can.
this.
Maybe you can try to type make dash j disk clean, because I don't know, your disk clean delay too much,
Yeah.
but okay.
Um,
So
so now configure
yeah,
and change here to
MODBUS is late.
is there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now let's make
Yeah, modifying.
okay. So let me put the board in flash mode.
Mm-hmm.
Use the PFU. Reset the board. Net. So just compile this, right? So and let's just check the ports. Okay. And the command is NuttX. Help is MODBUS. Oops. And now you come back here
Yeah,
and do this again.
yeah,
Okay.
good.
So
Yeah,
you have a good. You need to document in the board documentation that for
yeah,
this
good idea.
configuration you are using a different pins for the serial.
Yeah, and also document using this mbpool command. So you say, you need to
Okay.
install the apt-get mbpool and run this command, and so you can show like this one, like the pooling, and with this value to show you see it reading the data from the register 1000.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can like that. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea because it will be useful. Maybe George as well can do it later for the Linux, because he did include
Yeah,
the
yes.
documentation. Yeah.
I have a problem here. I not know exactly what happened, but I can't send command for
Okay.
the board. I just can receive. I was checking here if I need sold any cable here
Okay.
to
You mean
get.
over the serial console?
Yes, I using the serial, but I not receiving any data from the board.
Okay. Did you use the PA9 and PA10?
Yes,
Oh,
let's share my video.
yeah. Let me put it.
Let me remove the.
Yeah.
I'm using the PA9 and PA10.
Okay.
I just can. I receiving when I reset the board. Sorry, my dog.
No problem.
But
Try to uh, just to. Okay. Just in you didn't solder the CN6, right? The
sorry, what cable is?
the connectors, CN6, the SWD programmer pins. I was going to suggest, just put
Can you
the
show me the schematic, the
the
point?
GND near the programming. Did you see the JTAG programmer? There is a
Yes.
header pin. You didn't solder the header pin. I was going to suggest you to use the GND also from here, but yeah, there's no problem because you are using the GND from the other side of the board. It's okay as well.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It should be right. Maybe did you try to exchange the cable? Maybe.
Yes, I changed the converter too. I not receive anything.
Hmm. Strange.
I receiving the data, but not the.
Uh, just suggest. Do you have the minicon in your computer?
Yes.
Can you?
Yes, I
Maybe.
share my screen.
Yeah. Please share your screen.
Okay, I stop here. So
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Try type instead of picocon. Try to use. Okay, you are going to show the issue, right?
Wait,
Now
here.
try to type something. Oh, yeah, strange. Yeah, I think it's not related to terminal, but let's you try Control C or uh, Control X and hit the picocon and try to
I
run.
think I'm not sure if there is something. I can, uh, if you give me a minute, I can show the software running in the Linux.
No,
Everything.
that I think that we don't need to show the idea was mostly to show the board work, but uh,
Okay.
let's see.
I need to check if there are any
Yeah,
redesign.
maybe some pin or some track is not soldered correctly in this pin,
Mm-hmm.
or I don't know, maybe in the microcontroller. But just confirm, run sudo minicon.
The command.
Yeah, sud, no, no. I think it's not the terminal itself, but
No, I think it's something wrong here in the.
yeah,
Something's not connected here or soldered.
yeah.
I need
Maybe
to
you
check
need to
the
figure
port.
out it
Or
later. Okay, no
I'll
problem.
check.
It was just a bonus for this video streaming, but it's
Mm-hmm.
okay, no problem. Rodrigo, for next year, for sorry for yeah, actually maybe for next year because uh, in the next weekend, um, I will be I have um I need to travel, and so
okay,
probably we not have time to do this live, and so I suggest we return on January 6th, okay?
okay,
And so for next year, let to um, use the user LED, user LEDs uh, with this Modbus application, so we can run command from the command line and turn on and turn off these LEDs in our board. These LEDs
great.
here, yeah. So it's a nice, cool application, very nice to show and to see it working. Yep. And
And also we have in the let's say the pipeline, we have the temperature sensor,
yeah,
uh, some AD converters and GA converters, right? So,
Yeah,
but, but we are almost there. Just a few more lives, and you can complete this board for this port for this board, right?
yeah. Sorry, I see someone would like to speak. I think,
No, no,
yeah, you press
I
it.
I pressed
Yeah,
wrong.
yeah, yeah. We have still have many nice features to test yet. We have the temperature sensor. We have the ADC, the deck.
Mhm.
There are many nice applications yet. Also for Linux, we need uh, to get the SD card working, the external SD-RAM memory. Yeah, very very nice things to add.
Yes.
Yeah, I think for today we are done, right? And so, guys, I want to thank you for your time and for the patience
Hmm.
to make it happen. And it was really nice live, and yeah, we got the Modbus working, and the idea was also you show the application to control um, the holding registers, but we can show it next year controlling the LEDs directly. I think it's more interesting because when you're writing, it's not only read back, but you see it physically turn on and turn off the LEDs. So I think it's
Hmm.
a nice demo. Yeah.
Okay.
Great. Thanks a lot, Alan.
Thank you
Thanks,
very much,
George.
Rodrigo.
Thanks,
Thank
Hans.
you, George. Thank you, Alison. And have a very nice Christmas and Happy New Year. And see you next year. Thank
Yeah,
you,
you too.
thank you
Thank you,
guys
guys.
for
See
all
you.
the support. Bye bye.
Take
Okay.
care. Bye
Take
bye.
care. Bye bye.